The world of IT management is growing at a rapid pace, and having the right skills and experience can help you get a path to a lucrative career. Explore introductory and advanced IT courses, prepare for IT certifications, and see if a career in this fast-paced, high-growth field is right for you. UniNets, the global training center for networking courses, have launched their new online marketplace, online.uninets.com, for network engineers, network specialists, network administrators, IT help desk support engineers, network experts, and many more. The online marketplace is mainly focused in networking training industry, where aspirants and professional trainers both will benefit. Training courses available for CCNA routing and switching, CCNA security, CCNP R&S, CCNP security, Cisco Nexus, F5 load balancer, checkpoint firewall, PaloAlto firewall, etc. Training videos is created and published by highly experienced industry expert professionals. Visit us now for more information and get started with your favorite course. www.online.uninets.com